Welcome back in this English question answer session. It belongs to class 5, lesson 7, named Hope is the Thing with Feathers. Page number 54. Let us enjoy it. Learn words. It involves figure of speech. Figures of speech are creative ways to use words to describe something. Figures of speech are creative ways to use words to describe something. It helps make your writing more interesting and vivid. In this poem, there are two figures of speech used. Let us discuss them gradually. First, metaphor. Metaphor is comparing two things. Instead of saying something is like another thing, you say it is that thing. Example, hope is the thing with feathers. In this, we are saying a bird is not hope, but hope is like a bird. It is saying that hope is as strong and free as a bird. Second figure of speech used over here is personification. Personification is when you give human qualities to something that is not human, like an animal, object, or idea. Example, and sings the tune without the words. This line from the poem personifies hope as a bird that sings a constant song without words. First, now we are to learn through question answer mode. What we are to learn? We are to learn application of figure of speech in this given poem. Question number 1. Determine whether these sentences use personification or metaphor. Explain your answer in your notebook. First given sentence is the wind whispered through the trees. Answer. The sentence the wind whispered through the trees uses personification. Personification is a literary device where human qualities or actions are attributed to inanimate objects or abstract ideas. In this case, whispered is a human action attributed to the wind, which is not capable of whispering in the literal sense. Now, second sentence is the old house was a grumpy giant. Answer. The sentence the old house was a grumpy giant uses personification. Personification is a literary device where human qualities or characteristics are attributed to inanimate objects or non-human things. In this case, grumpy is a human emotion and it is being applied to the house, suggesting it has negative or irritable disposition. While it could be argued there is a metaphorical element, the house is not literary grump. The primary literary device being used is personification because of direct application of human emotion. In this way, we are to learn gradually about next given sentence. 3. The coffee was a warm hug on a cold morning. Answer. The phrase the coffee was a warm hug on a cold morning is a metaphor. It directly compares the feelings of drinking coffee to the comforting sensation of a warm hug without using like or as. If it were personification, then it would be attributing human emotions like hugging to the coffee. But it is using the hug as a comparison to describe the feeling, not to say the coffee is hugging. Fourth given sentence is the flowers danced in the gentle breeze. Answer. This sentence uses personification. In this case, dancing is a human action and the flowers are not capable of dancing in the literal sense. Therefore, the sentence gives the flowers a human like characteristic, which is the definition of personification. Next, fifth given sentence is her laughter was like music to my ears. Answer the sentence her laughter was like music to my ears is a simile, not a metaphor or personification. It uses the word like to directly compare laughter to music, indirectly a similarity in how they make the listener feel. Explanation. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two unlike things using words like, or as. The given above sentence uses the word like to draw a parallel between the pleasantness of her laughter and the pleasantness of music. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solution.